Here I have CUBOT X30, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, and then you have to go to the security section, and here you have this option, fingerprint. What you have to do next is to select your backup lock screen method. It could be pattern, pin, password. Select pin, then you have to type your pin, confirm it one more time, and then you have to select if you want to see notifications on your locked screen. You can select to see all notifications, you can select to hide sensitive content, and you can select to hide notifications at all. And then you tap done, and what you have to do next is to tap the sensor here with your finger for it to remember your fingerprint. Just type it several times, just like this, and that's it. And now you can, for example, unlock your phone without entering the PIN, but just by using your fingerprint. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.